us on Palm Harbor. We had home improvement source in to install, well, they tore out 3.5 walls here in the kitchen, installed their kitchen cabinets, redid all the walls and ceilings, the living room here, and all the ground molding. All the people that worked for us did a very good job. They were very courteous and professional, and Sammy did an excellent job on the finished carpentry work.